This is the Kensho Kitchen handheld Mandoline slicer. This has a ceramic blade and a plastic frame, and it does a really nice job of slicing vegetables very thinly. This has two notches on the front which allow you to lay it onto a bowl, and I find that to be a very convenient way to collect everything that you're slicing. So I'll slice a couple different vegetables here and show you how it works. Just a cucumber. It's pretty thin. I'd say it's probably about a 32nd of an inch. Next is a carrot. Here's a potato. The product comes with an accessory to help you protect your fingers when you're getting down to the bottom of slicing something. And finally, here's a radish.